Hello students, how are you? Welcome to our online classes. In this video, we'll be starting with the chapter number 4, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. What do you mean by lapse? Lapse का meaning क्या है? A lapse is a period of a time when a person forgets about something which he or she should know. So, don't you think it is very unusual and weird? मतलब अजीब है कि एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड के लिए आप वो सब भूल जाओगे जो कि आपको ऑलरेडी याद था. सो दिस इज स्टोरी अबाउट बिपिन चौधरी नेम्ड एज इन आई मीन कि अपन स्टोरी में इसको देखेंगे बिपिन बाबू. सो बिपिन चौधरी को बिपिन बाबू के नेम से आइडेंटिफाई इधर अपन करेंगे. सो लेट्स रीड this. I'll show you this particular thing before we start the chapter. Before you read, do you have a good memory? Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? So here जो सत्यजीत राय है वो अपन से क्वेश्चन पुट अप करें कि डू यू हैव अ गुड मेमोरी. सम विल से येस, सम विल से नो. ओके, एंड might be it sometimes you have seen कि your memory has played tricks on you कि आपको लगा कि ऐसा हुआ था but you are not so sure because you don't remember. So might be you are having a lack of memory of that particular time, particular period. So as you are not remembering that particular time and period, so sometimes brains tricks you. Forgetfulness often puts you in a tight spot, but forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. In this story, Bipin Babu goes nearly crazy because he cannot recollect his stay at Ranchi. He has never been to Ranchi, he insists, though there are many witnesses to the contrary. What is the suspense all about? So before reading this introduction, इतना तो clear हो गया कि this story is full of suspense, and even I should tell you that this story is humorous also. You will laugh, you will smile. Okay, just imagine as we will be reading chapter, you just imagine. So here it is said that कि forgetfulness मीन्स भूल जाने की बीमारी आपको मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम टाइट स्पॉट्स में डाल देती है. टाइट स्पॉट्स मीन यू कैन से सीरियस और डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन, सीरियस एंड डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशंस में डाल देती है. इफ़ यू फॉरगेट समथिंग, जस्ट टेक एग्जांपल फ्रॉम योर लाइफ कि इफ़ यू फॉरगेट आंसर, सो यू विल बी इन अ डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन. सो even here it is said that Bipin Babu is nearly gone crazy. Crazy means he is thinking he got mad or why can't he remember the visit to Ranchi. But he insists. Insist means he claims. वो बार बार स्ट्रेस दे रहा था कि उसने कभी रांची वो गया नहीं है. बट जितने भी विटनेसेस थे वो कॉन्ट्ररी थे. कॉन्ट्ररी मीन्स opposite to what Bipin Babu claims. So he was unable. Recollect means he was unable to remember the visit to Ranchi. So he was claiming that I never went, but the witness was contrary. So here you see so much of suspense, so much of questions. So let's find out whether he really visited to Ranchi or he just forget about the visit to Ranchi, or might be something else. So what would be something else is a suspense. Let's begin. First part. Every Monday on his way back from the home, Bipin Chaudhary would stop in at Kalicharan's in New Market to buy books, crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. He had to buy at least 5 at the time to last him through the week. So here from this paragraph, these lines, we have seen that might be Bipin Babu is going for work. So on Monday he is going to market at Kali Charan's shop to buy some books, so that he can read those 5 number of books in a week. Now let's see from here. This thing I'll show you again. He lived alone, was not a good mixer, had few friends, and didn't like spending time in idle chat. Today at Kali Charan's, Bipin Babu had a feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. He turned back and found himself looking at round-faced, meek-looking man who now broke into smiling. So here in this paragraph we are getting introduction about Bipin Babu, that he was living alone and he did not like idle chat. Idle chat means you can say chat without a purpose. Even good mixer, here it is written good mixer. Good mixer, you can say antisocial, the person who don't like to mix in many people, and even he is having very few friends. But once when he was into the Kali Charan's shop, he felt that someone is observing him from close quarters. Close quarter means very near to him. Close quarter means very near. So suddenly क्या हुआ, बिपिन बाबू जब उस शॉप में थे and he was selecting books, so he was turned around. We see, अगर अपन को कोई देखता है तो अपन को feeling आ जाती है ना कि someone is seeing us or staring at us. So he turned around and see that there was a man having a round face and meek. Meek means quite humble looking man. And as soon as Bipin Babu saw that man, he broke into smile. Broke into means, broke here means doesn't means टूटना. Broke means जैसे ही बिपिन बाबू ने उसको look दिया, he smiled. Okay, so that man smiled to Bipin Babu. I don't suppose you recognize me. Have we met before? Asked Bipin Babu. So here, this first line, I don't suppose you recognize me. तो ये कौन कह रहा है? That man. वो क्वेश्चन पुट अप कर रहा है बिपिन बाबू से कि क्या आप मुझे पहचान पाए हो? So बिपिन बाबू also asked the same question. Have we met before? क्या आप पहले मिले हो? The man looked greatly surprised. We have met every day for a whole week. I arranged for a car to take to you to the Hudro Falls in 1958 in Ranchi. My name is Parimal Ghosh. So here, as you can see in this picture, कि बिपिन बाबू जब बुक्स शेल्फ में से बुक्स ले रहे थे तो ही सॉ अ मैन वेरी क्लोज क्वार्टर मीन्स वेरी नियर टू हिम एंड ऑब्जर्विंग. सो व्हेन बिपिन बाबू वाज लुकिंग एट हिम तो वो मैन क्या बोलता, डिडंट यू रिकग्नाइज मी? सो बिपिन बाबू सेज डू यू नो मी और हैव वी मेट बिफोर? सो ही सेड एंड ही वॉज वेरी स्ट्रेंज कि ये ऐसे क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछ रहा है. So here is the reason why man was surprised, because man said to Bipin Babu that he had arranged a car to the Hudro Fall when he was in Ranchi in 1958. So what is Hudro? Hudro Fall means waterfall. So he introduced himself and tell his name that he was Parimal Ghosh. So listening to this, now what Bipin Babu replies, let's see from here. Ranchi. Here he questions Ranchi. Now Bipin Babu realized that it was never, just excuse me. Now Bipin Babu realized that it was not he but this man who was making a mistake. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. He had been at point of going several times but never made it. He smiled and said, "Do you know who I am?" So the man raised his eyebrows, bit his tongue and said, "Do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Bipin Chaudhary?" So now first of all, Bipin Babu, or you can say Bipin Chaudhary, was realizing that he is forgetting something, or he is not recalling that person. But when the person gave introduction and he said he met in Ranchi, so now Bipin Chaudhary is thinking that man is making mistake. So what mistake? उसको याद नहीं आ रहा होगा, तो सेम वो उस पर्सन के लिए सोच रहा होगा कि वो मिस्टेक कर रहा है. So now here in this paragraph we are seeing that कि बिपिन चौधरी, और you can say बिपिन बाबू के काफ़ी ऐसे लाइफ में टाइम आया कि जहाँ पे he was about to go to रांची but never made it. Never made it means कभी जा नहीं पाया वहाँ पे. So he smiled. He here means यहाँ पे this he means Bipin Babu. So Bipin Babu smiled and said, "Do you know who I am?" And in this reply, that man said, he just raised his eyebrow. अपन जब सरप्राइज होते हैं तो अपन अपनी आईब्रोज ऐसे रेज कर लेते हैं. एंड ही बिट हिज टंग. लाइक अगर मैं कुछ सरप्राइज होंगी तो मैं कहूँगी ना लाइक दिस. सो ही सेड, "नो, I know you?" So he was again asking same thing. So why he was asking same thing? Because he was in surprise. He was not purposefully repeating the question. He was surprised. तो he said, "Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary?" कि if हिंदी में अपन जैसे कहते हैं कौन नहीं जानता बिपिन चौधरी को. So let's see what Bipin Babu replies now. Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelf and said, "Still you are making a mistake. One often does. I never been to Ranchi." So now again Bipin Babu is convincing that person that you are making mistake and this mistake is common. One often does means हो जाती है कभी कभार किसी से. And he said, "I have never been to Ranchi." वो मना कर देता है कि no, I never went to Ranchi. The man now laughed aloud. So in this reply, man was laughing. He was not listening, not understanding what Bipin Babu is trying to say. He just laughed. "What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary?" तो ये कौन क्वेश्चन कर रहा है? That man, or you can say Parimal Ghosh, is asking again, "What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Hudro and cut your right knee. I bought you iodine. I fixed up a car for you to go to Nitharat at the next day. But you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. Can't you recall anything? Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time. Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. You stayed in a bungalow. You said you didn't like hotel food and would prefer to have your meals cooked by a bawarchi. So Mr. Mukherjee, okay, now let's see the meaning of this paragraph. So here we see that he is now giving some parts of the memory, or you can say he was trying to make Bipin Chaudhary realize that he went to Ranchi. So he gave some situations, or you can say some memories what he remembered. He means Parimal Ghosh remember about Bipin Chaudhary. तो बिपिन चौधरी को कहते हैं कि यू हैड अ फॉल. फॉल मीन्स आप गिर गए थे हुड्रो में, वाटरफॉल के अंदर. सो यू हैड अ वुंड ऑन योर नी. एंड इवन ही सेड कि आई हैव अरेंज्ड अ कार फॉर यू टू गो टू निथारत. एंड इवन ही आस्क अगेन, can't you recall anything? And even that he tells one more thing that happened in Ranchi. So he said, "You lived in a home, or you can say a bungalow of Dinesh Mukherjee, because you means here Bipin Chaudhary doesn't like to have meals or hotel services. So he said, you prefer a bungalow and a bawarchi so that you can cook your food. So Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. तो ये जो सारी लाइन्स हैं ये सब परिमल घोष किसको बता रहे हैं? टू बिपिन चौधरी को, कि आप वहाँ पे रुके थे. देर वॉज अ बावर्ची, यू कुकड अ मील एंड हेयर दैट इन बंगलो मिस्टर मुखर्जी के साथ उसकी सिस्टर भी रहती थी. यू हैड अ बिग आर्ग्यूमेंट. वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग फ्रॉम द पैराग्राफ. You had a big argument about the moon landing, remember? I tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trips. Am I right or not? So, क्वेश्चन पे क्वेश्चन वो आप देखोगे कि जो परिमल घोष है, ही इज़ आस्किंग सो मैनी क्वेश्चन, ही इज़ गिविंग सो मैनी मेमोरीज. इट माइट बी ट्रू एंड इट माइट नॉट बी ट्रू. तो ये जो सस्पेंस है ये तो अपन को एंड में पता चलेगा. बट वो जो बिपिन चौधरी को है वो बार बार बता रहा था, यू हैड अ आर्ग्यूमेंट मीन्स यू कैन से एंग्री और यू कैन से एंग्री और डिसअप्रूवल ऑफ वर्ड्स. So on what? Moon landing. What is moon landing? Moon landing is when a spacecraft lands on moon surface. कि आपने उसके ऊपर आर्ग्यूमेंट की थी. Even you are carrying your bag with you at sightseeing. Sightseeing means जब अपन किसी अच्छी प्लेसेस पे कुछ देखने जाते हैं तो बोले आप उस टाइम भी जब आप अपने उस व्यू को या एक प्लेस को देखना जा रहे हो या यू कैन से एक साइट को देखने जा रहे हो, स्टिल आपके हाथों में वो बैग होता है. इन दैट बैग यू हैव बुक्स. सो एक्सक्यूज मी. सो ही अगेन क्वेश्चंस, एम आई राइट और नॉट? बिपिन बाबू स्पोक क्वाइटली, his eyes still on the books. Which month in 58 you are talking about? The man said, October. No, sir, Bipin Babu said. No, sir, said Bipin Babu. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. You are making mistake. Good day. सो इन रिटर्न बिपिन बाबू क्या कहते हैं, जितनी भी उसने ये सारी सिचुएशंस बताई रांची की, तो इन रिटर्न एक पल को बिपिन बाबू थोड़ी सी आइज़ को उन्होंने बुक से हटाया. लाइक इफ़ वी आर रीडिंग अ बुक, ओके, वी आर रीडिंग अ बुक एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू जस्ट रिकॉल. सो हेयर वी से बिपिन बाबू वॉज बिट कन्विंस्ड. वो मतलब थोड़ा सा सोचने लगा था कि माइट भी, जहाँ वो पहले क्लेम कर रहे थे कि मैं नहीं गया रांची, बट हेयर इन दीज लाइन्स वी कैन गेट कि बिपिन चौधरी को थोड़ा सा रियलाइज़ हुआ कि माइट भी वो गए. तो इसलिए वो क्वेश्चन पुट अप करता है, विच मंथ की 1958 में, सॉरी 1958 में कौन से मंथ में गया था? ही सेड अक्टूबर. द मैन मीन्स परिमल घोष सेड अक्टूबर. बट अगेन बिपिन बाबू रिफ्यूजेज कि दैट नो, आई स्पेंट पूजा. पूजा हेयर मीन्स दुर्गा पूजा. Why here we know that puja means Durga Puja. So as you can know, just see the words or you can see just the names of the person, Parimal Ghosh, Bipin Babu, Kali Charan. So it is a story from Bengal. So बंगाल में कौन सी पूजा सबसे बड़ी होती है? दुर्गा पूजा. So he said कि मैं अपने फ्रेंड के साथ था. I was not in Ranchi. So again he said you are making mistake. Good day. Good day here means he want to end this conversation. Now, but man didn't go, nor did he stop talking. Very strange. One evening I had a tea with you in a veranda of your bungalow. You spoke about your family. You said you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. Your only brother had died insane, which is why you didn't want to visit mental hospital in Ranchi. When Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. So here in this paragraph, we see that the person is telling more and more about Ranchi visit. So but the man didn't go. Man here means Parimal Ghosh didn't go, and he talked about that one evening I was having tea with you. ये सब वो किसको बता रहा है? बिपिन बाबू को बता रहा है कि मैंने आपके साथ उस दिन वरांडा में चाय पी थी. You had told about your family, and you even told about your brother who died insane. Insane means mentally ill, and this is the reason why you don't want to go to mental hospital of Ranchi. So he was talking, but Bipin Babu was trying to ignore him, so he didn't reply. He just paid for the books and left the shop. But when he was leaving, the man was looking at him in utter disbelief. Utter disbelief means complete surprise. Why the man was in surprise? That he was telling so many instances from the Ranchi visit, but Bipin Babu was not convinced, and he was not even listening. So in the next video we'll be seeing whether this person was right or Bipin Babu was right. So all that's for this video. Thank you so much for listening. Stay safe, be at home.